Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your one and only chubby princess, US-based blogger, Hotbox 237, always on point and on time, always represent. Any other one you see you slappy. I mean, I talk. Yes, my people, I thank you so very, very much for always be the first. Anybody ever be the first for this house. I thank you so very much for una believe and una trust for we the big fives them. We no go ever lead una down. And when you see any big five can put the camera, talk some story, investigate that story. 85% are true. I don't tell you that not everything will talk will be perfect, but 85 of those that story them na true story. I not get no not for life for money head. Yes, I not be una see udiveshela. At the talk now wait away. If you tap me for better, I will cut off law. I will tell you say na this. I don't can take your private life, but I can't tell you say for this life before you are die. You go pay all your sins there for the life. You go pay all to do for the life. Now I have fire this now I held this. Now they enter this house today. We get dents here. Not surprised now I picture this. We get Wendy. The so-called brand. Say gay brand. We get Chris mechanic for America. Most of our story now be this story today now European people them an American level. My people, when I know some come talk for you, I can't talk about how the Tyra thief when the product go start producing own. I can't condemn I'm so far to call Tyra thief who do all kinds of me in particular, talk all kinds of for Tyra. But as I make that story, people they meet me my able Beshkelians they tell me say hot box no na so. This story na so. When the first is a liar and when the first it pain na ikama. When you see any man they go on through depression and waiting, it means say deep inside it see where it doing no say the hot tea, it pepper it feel am. So now it cause sickness, mental distress, it shrink physically, everything. Now I see most of these Ghana they always go for true depression. Example like Big Boutique and now Tyra. I know true I want to talk about Tyra because if that you already mad. You know, I get people that I go target and to that, so I don't call their name. Wendy na una man where you be give brand ambassador CEO for or you be give for Tyra make he do this thing. He be brand ambassador. He give you a big deal. Yes, Wendy like he be like big celebrity. You know today be on social media our grand said and that we all man look on them. Wendy get his sister, they call her Dencia. If you hear the first class of slave queen them, na Dencia, he based for America, yeah. And Wendy big sister, he did for America, yeah. Wendy na his sister, na niece, Dencia, na slave queen, that way they make things happen for America. This girl is shine like moon, in this one, look at. Yes. So, he be always go for France, go visit Wendy, be Wendy, take care for Wendy, they ever enjoy their life. So in no oil, this girl don't study oil. This girl gets brandy Dencia, gets a brand. He carry this oil. He give for his sister Wendy. When Wendy take this oil, he do this thing. He sell it for you for France. Since as France now for French people they like oil. Una know for Cameroon for Douala, una know Douala mami them. So he carry that oil give. Dencia is niece carry that oil give for Wendy. That time Wendy will be day. You know even know what they call them oil. So he start seeing to have money the enter inside that niece. It's not small nieces walk over past me. You send me a big person, I can sell you oil. He go for one of this market there for France. He go buy oil them. Can he buy that person oil? He cut them. He go buy oil for market. He cut them. Take his sister, he niece oil, mix them with this and put paper with it like as the same as what Tyra do it today. His sister can discover, his niece can discover Dencia. Today as they talk on till date. Dencia, Ian, Wendy, they need talk. I don't tell you say, see where he do coffee, he go do cocoa. And anything you do for the ground, if you keep on the upload for you today, tomorrow as you sleep onto your bed, and you shed tears, and tomorrow you go pay your camera before you die. If you don't pay your camera, your children go pay them. But God know the way to do things them. It make you pay them for the earth before you die. Why when they go in for depression, they get accident? Because it don't reflect. It chop you up. No say, till we it is a bad one, till we do for in small knees. When no ever study oil. When no ever know what I take the one job for this, I know. And I want to say, all man where it do, we get oil, it's study, not all man. But some people, then they buy, they be like sub distributor, they go buy them. they go move their own name for they put their own name. Yes. If Wednesday for do an so way, no man will give or a may sell like a small niece, it double cross a small niece. The other double cross now, they cry out loud, it just they suppress your voice. God used Isabel for do it for take for use that Isabel a radical way, that a bad heart, that it's for God select Isabel the kind person for punish you for the earth. Now that he give you Isabel for the kind means. So that made it this people they see and nyash Wendy. What goes around comes around. I don't tell you now. Say all these small things they do, they mind your way. They go clap for you in a negative way, but they go stab you for back. You go at last cry, you get high blood, you die. When you go get accident, his sister don't die. I know what I told this story to half up because I go here and find either for Dope Sierra or for Henze Ayok TV. We get the way we handle situation for this one big five. So when so it pain you when you say as a different man, it double cross you. Why you double cross your niece? So they do that, I will tell you so you and dance here, then they talk. And when the lies waiting, it's a time we put brand ambassador. It be put up on your Facebook saying it need person where you be brand ambassador, and you one only person for Cameroon. Reason being why? Reason being, you know, say people come on get money for they can buy oil for start selling for them. If they can do it, you know, say people no get money for Cameroon right now. Now that it is still select people them way, you know, say no fit be financially upright. Now that it then they will pay them, it go low. Any small you give them, it will be they will be very excited. He say as he put Isabella contactee, so may give the brand ambassador. Why he give a reason why he choose Isabel? That reason a lie. He choose Isabel why? He choose Isabel because Isabel he and his sister they don't stay for. They don't yeah and his relatives they don't stay for Yaoundé. As so the talk presently that is it is. They don't stay for Yaoundé. So they pressurize him to take that brand ambassador gear for Isabel for all circumstances surrounding the aspect for your own greedy mind and Wendy. You know say Isabel no get that kind of money for the book crossy. So she was shocked when he say Wendy when if she say Isabel with the help of Chris, he take him double crossy. If you look Isabel physical look ways the way we did for camera over day before yesterday, when I be say she is depressed. But you pay sin. That means you God use you for punish another person, right? And at the same way, you the Isabel, you go surely pay your own for the earth. Who there for the social media, who go see how you go end with that your product. I don't want to talk plenty concerning you. Wait till I get to come again at the talk. And the second person enter the house again at Chris. Chris now una mechanic way it dey for America here. He say dey for California. When I don't hear the story for Voice of the Voice of the channel, high born picking this side go, I no one come about that one. Chris, good story. When he meet up me, he divorced, he meet up me for it. I say, normally, Chris is a good somebody from birth. Chris is a good somebody. Chris, it may not be psychologically okay. Chris is a mad man. I go talk for you, people office say, hot box with the lie. I'm not lying. Chris is a mad somebody, and the spoiled news story. Me say spoiled Chris right for their village. If Chris work money, the money no finish for his hand. In joint plus that is goodness. If that money no finish for Chris, yeah, Chris no go rest. You see today when division that come for your platform, it will confirm for una tell una say Chris na nice person and Chris don't worship plenty. Yes, they spoil Chris. I don't go blame I don't go blame the Isabel the Chris give the money. No. Because Chris first he get the aspect of when you go for social media, he wanna for calm down in depression. So as if you go for Dope Sierra platform, Dope Sierra no welcome me. He be vexy. Or that he go for the entire and division at the platform and two platforms that way they call like 4 hours because they leave Chris for channel for 4 hours because they know where to Chris to give them for back. Chris they under. You understand? Chris in network no define. The worst are when Chris drink one bottle beer. Like how it be doing for Tyra I showed the other day. Chris is a mad somebody. So division with jealousy and greed also. It use Chris because all hear the story fine. And as this story don't come up with Chris, the main reason that way you see how division no one leave Tyra go. I go tell una for here. I said because division they for all platform them. You don't hear the detail because you don't get the story for Chris. You don't know the Chris where they call and say grander. You don't know the Chris. So the Veshela now don't hear this story now fine. Instead, I put say you can't expose Chris or some way. But some voice message they will over play him. At the talk, and know what at the talk. So voice message they will the Veshela never play him. It become a P Chris now. The way people are called crowd for big company. But it changes so they go bring on the Bridget Benjamin. My people, the Veshela don't hear all these things about Chris. It knows all those things are facts. He decided to bring Chris for greedy aspect. And he knows when he sent Tyra away, where Chris already support Tyra. Now for day way now, so he go lost Chris. He didn't make it say no, I don't want lost God and a lie. Chris na the biggest fan. And I will talk so I say at the lie. Granders on know it at the talk. Granders they get a WhatsApp group where Chris day for day like a secretary or a treasurer. I use like Jack on a the play. Chris na the highest big fan for that WhatsApp group. The Veshela for that WhatsApp group na a president now he give the instruction who they for target and who no for target them. And then the true my word and the talk na truth. And my facts are right. Now that Chris, the Veshela was shocked when Chris came call for entire platform talk off. But those were cook stories between them two. And now as I tell on presently, the Veshela have a private chat with Chris for back. They wonder who side we, the big five that will know all those stories. He got the thing now saying that Tyra do because Chris that time Chris with the talk with Tyra platform. Chris no be there for a real sense. I tell them I say Chris he came with the spark, not just normal coach with the coach Chris. It's not a normal insult. Yes, not a normal insult. So the Veshela go use advantage now of somebody with the situation for take all this Chris money. Chris no get house for America. Chris the work cleaner for motor. You wear one shoe to America, person the pastor you see get body odor. For white man country where it is called all black, they say they smell. So you woman for America, or man people America, they keep himself very clean when you be black man. So that may you don't want pass so white man corner, they also know you get smell. But if you see they can't create, it work the money, make can't get money for America. But if you work the money, it spend and people they don't say it get. And then they use advantage of it. But you make yourself a banana monkey who eats you. But Veshela as that kind of person where you don't calculate and you don't calculate all those things then you are drag Chris for themselves. You know if you send Chris Tyra apart away from me. Because you know that from through the way as Chris love Tyra, you are use them too. And this also Veshela too as a greedy man, he also say Tyra too the person if you fight with the big five. You know say get that voice because all the other one them with bush right and bush dog, all the other one them, they don't get value, they talk. It's sick Tyra, so because Tyra get that voice. Believe it or not, me I tell you that's reality. Blogging you can shout for social media and for use wisdom and strategies. That is what is going on. The Veshela don't play a lot of voice messaging. But anyhow, your life now you go pay them for the earth. Anything you do now you go pay them. Which is the last thing way I know about to make a law way bring me for you and so waiting. This aspect for insulting children. I tell you for this house say, when I sit down with the Veshela, put Chucky baby, he picking it for outside because he massa say massa na that thief document. He go, you know, coach all the document. He mako, he coach every picking him. I can't talk for you say. If they start coaching the Veshela, I pick. I hope so. I know will talk. Una no gonna, I don't see una today because say wait. I don't know what say wait. Happen. You the coach hands are you picking. Because they be put their picking picture outside, they whole report their account, they block their account them. Where the claims no be a picking. Today don't stand again, you call hands because you don't finish born. You call a picking, you don't born do one, you call a picking say it be a full. You call she the picking. I hope so when they come back for you, you don't go feel am. And I know 1 year for they say stop children. Because me again, I don't go talk concerning that in particular the Veshela picking when they coach, I don't go talk. When they coach the Veshela picking me, hot box, I don't go talk. But we tell about any other picking them, I will talk. I mean, I've been one of the only person before the big five wife can stand against children for coach picking them. So the Veshela, you ready to carry your kinja. All those your things they do today for your channel. You bring mommy Bridget Benjamin in because you are called crowds. You know all those things. Now game now business, for inside business, do anything for get your crowd. That is very good strategy where you get them. Thumbs up for that. But for inside their strategy, I sense and I smell jealousy. I smell jealousy. You be talking with Benjamin na low class, na nobody, na this, na that. But you know, you are seeing picture, but they show you picture, say they will see you alone. Every you see alone now, If you see alone, even a two people day, as long as they recognize the president and the first lady, probably no day. But because of jealousy, you talk to you don't talk with purpose type is this small, no. So you are rub show that person where it pass you. You accept for your fact for your channel say mommy Bujabene died our presidency. Then you are can blackmail say may you apologize. Apology kill there. God punish you 10 times. Dirty thing. So for your skin tone the you look like whom away he do this thing he born picking. If hands are not tell you say you look fresh small like whom away born picking, you can't cost your own picking. Truly speaking, when I talk, when I call a spade, you look like person where you don't born. You look like person where you don't born. They are doing it today. Them say you stand. Them say even a me you don't ever stand up on my channel. That's so you pale. You didn't talk for Tyra. Say Tyra dry your own bats. Especially your own bats. That's why your vein they don't come up for your neck. That's so veins. Now Bobby will picking the soccer. They say picking the sock Bobby. You go hear your own candana for don't that tomorrow. They go bring your nyasho outside. You say you are picking the sock Bobby. You carry people for send people. They say you are picking the sock Bobby. Diveshela. You know that means no. We don't get time for all the small people them. No. Since as you say me they continue for you want for the coach picking them. You don't see a picking picture. You shock no. How you hear yes. Not in the height. You hide all things of your height. All my way surround you so na enemy. If you say you get sense, you don't get sense. Even about witchcraft, we or burnt you will move there picky picture. Any means that means. You can't really justify between thief and ashawo. You forget for no say Tyra and a thief man and ashawo. He key for man will be doing a prostitution. How thief man will support a friend thief man? Because you are a thief. You don't kick people them. And Tyra don't kick people them. And you fear Tyra. Now whether you can't cover up too. Because you know, so when you leave that, you lost money, you lost Chris, you lost money, you lost everything, and that will turn against you. Now whether you replay, you coach Tyra, then at the other end, you try to say what support C. But I tell you something. You see Tyra so, and then you support C. But no, he know you, he don't know who you. But it is he try to justify yourself. He talk against, he talk different thing where voice he talk different thing. Deep in your mind, Tyra me hot box, I will tell you, you know fine. So you don't be happy with the Veshela. I'll give you some few time for you to order your voice. They also have a different person concerning the Veshela now. You'll come out for our side. No worry. I'll be a blunt you. No worry yourself. You go come out. Anytime you go up, you calm down. We never know so don't know so you the thief or you say. No. God just use you or they will use me to punish other person. Yes. Yes. People they for thief. People they for the social media they are games the way you play them you know go work. You know if you lost Chris, you know one lost Chris, you know one lost Tyra. You know one lost Tyra because Tyra will turn against you. You know one lost Chris because you say Chris give you financial, it assist your financial level. You use it mental problem, they forget your own profit. You know say Chris the date Tyra the snap nipple they send for Chris. Una surprise. As we know. We will continue for the surprise una. As you think anything that they hide them, we will bring up our side. Yes. So Wendy, go first. Go do this thing. Go make peace with your sister Denzia. Make God know this continue for use you. You use people they make Dave really continue use for them they suppress you before you are die. Because if you get that accident, so you don't make them for life. If you die, not die. If you die, and if you're going to have hellfire, because nobody apologize to people who don't hurt them for the earth. Go apologize to your small niece. Your business will continue. No, business not always so you know oil. No, you don't get brand. You go buy oil for Douala. People they mix oil for Douala. You come, you peel, you buy that container them. You peel and you put your paper and name for the Wednesday and they tell you. That's not you do. You go buy oil for Douala they ship them for you for France. You put your picture, everything. You know, say cheap for do production for Cameroon, you get money. That's that way you do. Then they will cross you, you vex, you get accidentally die. You go hear your story concerning your brother, people they contribute money for you go bury your brother, but not today they bury your brother. The government say don't pass it, they carry your brother and bury him. Every day for your brother die, please. What a shame, Grand say. Grand say they don't swear for your heads. They swear for your heads. Guy, Ngaya. Some grand say they don't know. Una fight the jaga. Repent. No mind of this dirty berry, the way their life is rotten. Thief woman, because justify thief person. Una correct. I thank you so very much for the watch me right up to this moment. Best way to watch me, never yet subscribe, you never like the video. Wait till the wait. Give me this video a thumbs up. You share me the video. You call your family member, they make a count for Hotbox 237. The one and only, no duplicate. It will wait you the small rat, kwa mutanda, stick for use and nang denge. You caution only yourself, because all caution are the caution on yourself. Which one over your daughter? You caution me say I no get baby. You say baby throw for my head, you are Chris. Caution me say you are fat. You see all streets, height, chubby. Oh wow, you jealous. You are use Chris. You can have work up on Mexico Road. Now woman work on Mexico Road, you make a move. You go Quara, you enter Mexico, you go die because you are bad heart. Ask and find if you Chris fool you say may go enter jungle, no try. No try. If you Chris fool you, no try. Bad heart for any maker for jungle. And they tell you before you come enter that jungle. Those people they tell you say bad heart for any work at that jungle. You did die. What are they carry you go to William? So if you want to say I use Christopher for come America, well, Chris no get people for come marry you. Or a woman they pass na through jungle. So be warned. Thank you so very much. I love una back to back. Take all the sticker mo. Una no over fear. Una no hurry. Hot box there for you. Love una. Bye.